My next icebreaker, and this one's kind of a movement Chinese whispers from a great book. This book, Drama Games, by Jessica Swale. And in this one, a physical game that involves passing movements around the circle. So I would start with a movement and pass it to the person on my right. So it could be that. And then they would do it back to me. And then they would pass it to the next person until someone adds a little laugh. And then you add the little laugh. So if Jessica starts laughing, then the next person would, ah, and then you do it all the way around the circle, continue until it gets back to you. And when you do it at the end, it probably can be completely different and it'll just create a bit of laughter and fun. To develop this, you can add a second movement that way. So you've got one going that way. Jessica is doing her yeah and laughing if she has to. You have to add anything, even if it's like a sound or a movement, they add it. Okay, so that's gone that way. And then when that gets halfway, you can add another one. So you've gone halfway around the circle with the first one, and then you add another one going that way. And then when it's in the middle, it starts to become really difficult. So that's another easy icebreaker for you. I hope you enjoy it and I hope you get good use out of it. It encourages energy, teamwork, and coordination.